What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man.
Hey, what up, gang? We are back with another YouTube video, man. In this video, we will be probably only doing one thing, and that will be removing this freaking kill switch on this car, bro. This whole time, I didn't know that this car had a kill switch, and I've been wondering why it's been turning off, bro. This car will only stay on for about 10 to 15 seconds and then shut right off. Just let y'all see the front of it. We got everything off, as y'all seen by the other videos. Y'all been rocking with the videos too, man. I appreciate y'all boys for going crazy on this build, bro. And it's crazy because I could buy something like this for, I ain't gonna tell you the price though, because I don't know if I revealed the price just yet, because this is literally the third day, bro. So I don't know when I'm gonna drop these videos in which order, so I'm not gonna tell y'all the price. But bro, just basically, bro, I'm gonna just say that I could pay under $6,000 for something like this, which it wasn't even close, but I'm gonna just say that I'm gonna pay under $6,000 for something like this, and y'all tune in crazy versus me buying a 90K freaking Hellcat, bro. A 90K freaking Shelby GT 500, and like the content is there, like everything be there, bro. It just be like the journey, and I just feel like, bro, when you get something like this that the normal person could obtain, I just feel like, bro, it's different, bro. Because like y'all just really feel like that y'all could really have something like this kind of in a way. Which, bro, you could have any car that you put your mind to. You just got to work, grind, shoot, lock in. Don't be out here hanging on motherfuckers, because there's a lot of people out here wearing full jewelry. They be hanging on the next motherfucker, man. They just be hating. I don't know what it is in this world, but, man, can't nobody say shit about me, shorty. Motherfuckers see they kids once every motherfucking week. Nigga can't say nothing about me at all. But let's get straight into the motherfucking video. Let me see, because we gonna need to jump box, because the car's not getting no power at all. So where the fuck is them cables? I think I left the cables over here on this old school. Yep. More of the story, take care of your motherfucking kids, man. If you don't see your kids every day of the motherfucking month, don't speak on me, man. Y'all know motherfuckers be out here playing games, man. But nah, though, I just feel like, bro, that just be the people that be thinking that, like, motherfuckers overly cool niggas could joke around, and the shit don't even be like jokes. Motherfuckers be dead ass. It's just that hating ass shit. Let me see. Boy. Ooh. Alright, so I'm about to show y'all the freaking kill switch, bro. Which I didn't think that this was a kill switch, because I wouldn't think that it'd be that obvious, bro. But look at this. Hold up. I'm going to turn off this real quick. But we will be taking that off, though, y'all, because I hate when I got to come out, bro. I can't pop the trunk. I can't pop nothing, bro. I can't pop nothing at all. I can't pop the freaking gas can. Look, no, not the gas can thing, but the gas, look. Joy, y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't even know what this called, though. Gas door. Yeah, the gas door. But we go clean all of this off, too, bro. We go wipe down this whole joint, man. See, I'm getting comments right now from y'all boys. Y'all is actually rocking with this build. That's why I rock with y'all boys. But we already vacuumed mostly everything. And I even took up this whole joint, vacuumed up under there. I just got to wipe down everything. See that? Don't look as bad. Do it, chat. We'll get right into this, though. I did not think that this was a freaking kill switch, bro, because I wouldn't think that it'll be this obvious, bro. But I guess that this is like a power saver. And these, y'all know, man, I'm a chat GPT monster, bro. I took a picture of this and I put it on chat GPT, bro. So this is basically a kill switch / power saver. And it sets automatic, bro. Like, I could literally turn this on. Look. Turn it on. All of the lights go off. But it's automatic, bro. So that joint is going to turn off, bro, by itself. It's just like some weird stuff. Like, the original owner most likely got the other key fob. I just hate it, bro, because I can't pop the hood or nothing without having that jump box and jumping it up and doing the freaking BS again. So we taking this off today. I appreciate y'all boys for tuning in. We finna start right now. Set y'all boys up. Hey, and let me know if y'all like when people edit, bro, or do y'all just like the natural rebuilds and like when people actually showing y'all crap. Just let me know what y'all like, because y'all know me. I try to give y'all every little process of everything that I do, just in case y'all be in the same, I won't say like the same position, but like if y'all having the same problems or something, like y'all could see where I mess up at or something like that. Then once I unloosen this should pull straight out. I ain't using these in a minute, bro. Oh yeah, like y'all see that joint up, that joint blinking now. Hopefully y'all can see it. See that joint blinking. Yeah, you coming off, my boy. All right, make sure tighten this joint back. I just feel like, bro, this thing been holding me back from so much motherfucking shit, man. And I ain't even noticed. If y'all paid attention to the last video, y'all know like where I found out and everything. So, try to take this off. I think this is 12. I don't know what this is. It might be a 13. It might be a 13. Oh, no, it is a 12. Alright. That comes right off. Should have probably took this off first. Now it's seeming like it ain't enough leverage. Removing this kill switch, y'all. Make sure that connection decent. Okay. Both of these to be tight, not super tight. Make sure y'all don't tighten these too tight. All right, y'all, now we in it. Now y'all can see the lights is on normal. I'm gonna show y'all these stars too. These stars is freaking horrible. All right, look at these stars, y'all. Hold up, y'all see this? Watch. All you gotta do is press this button like that and the stars come on. Look at these stars. Like, what the fuck? Bro, they ain't put them on no sides at all. Plus, look at how it's wired, though. This shit is wired so tacky. Look at this, bro. Clearly, this freaking cord wasn't long enough or something. I don't know. But, man, this shit's so damn bogus. Super bogus. I hope that they did these they self and that they ain't pay extra for these. Even if they did them they self, man, you bogus. Know what you was thinking. This would be the moment of truth. Hey, y'all want to start it up? Hey, I'm savage, man. I done took out the radiator, the fan, the freaking AC condenser. I'm savage, though, I start it up for y'all boys. I don't know if it'll start up, though, because the hood ain't latched. So I don't know if the hood going to register at its close. But we go still try for y'all boys, man. Nah, I don't think that is registering at its close, gang. Yeah, the hood ain't registering at its close because the freaking hood sensor believe that this is, I think that, nah, I don't think that that's it, bro. That look kind of different. But the sensor is in here tucked away somewhere. Where did I put that joint? I don't even know, but it's one of these sensors. It might, I think it's this one. Yeah, it gotta be this one. But I just tucked away all this crap. This joint working though, y'all. Ooh, this joint working. Them stars is freaking horrible, gang. But we gonna start this joint up for y'all though. I'm gonna set y'all boys up right now. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I could possibly be effing up my crap right now. So y'all boys better smash that hype button, folks. Smash that joint right now. What am I thinking, folks? I believe this is a coolant line. That is what I thought that was oil, bro. But that's not oil, bro. That's coolant. That shit is shooting out. Yeah. Hey, I did it for y'all boys, man. I'm never gonna do it again. That was the first and only time. But y'all got it in this video, which is gonna be a little hidden gem. But I know y'all gonna just be like, Davo, you tripping, man. Do not F it up, because we love this build. Keep this build on the channel. This joint is looking good. I know it's looking good, y'all. All I gotta do, because this, I believe, is a tap weld. So once you drill through this should come off. So I could order me a new one of these. I think that this is like a frame rail bracket. So I could literally order me a driver side of one of these, have a motherfucker put it on. As soon as I drill this out, I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of here though. Might need a crazy ass hammer. But if y'all know somebody that do frame work, that's mobile or something, that's trusted, let me know, man. Even though I still might not even do it, I might still go to this shop that I know. I had a big super surprise for y'all boys, man. I got most of the parts, shorty. Most of the parts. Upper radiator support, crash bar, bumper, fenders, both fenders, literally both fenders, and some little extra miscellaneous little plastic. I think that's to go on top of the upper radiator support. So you'll get all this painted. And I also got the wheel wells, shorty. So I got bolts and everything as well. So man, this is gonna be a crazy journey, y'all. Like, this stuff is moving so fast. I already got this crap for y'all boys. I just got it tucked away in my basement for right now, man. But that's just a little bonus clip for y'all boys, just for the people that made it to the end. But hey, if you made it to the end, man, all you gotta do is comment. Oh, what should y'all comment, man? Comment big buck. If you made it to this part, comment big buck. Don't even spoil it that I showed y'all all of most of the parts that I got for the people that really don't even know, man. Don't even spoil it for them, bro. Just comment big buck if you made it all the way to this part, man, because y'all just gonna have to wait, man. Wait. I got a whole lot that's gonna come to this build. So just keep commenting. Keep spamming what y'all boys want. Y'all never know what's gonna happen, man. I might wrap that joint yellow and black, have it like this. Me and Sonny go be matching. You just never know, really. So appreciate y'all boys. Got my motherfucking toes out, man. I appreciate y'all boys a lot. It's been your boy Davo Gang, and I'm out, man. Peace.